Unlock the potential of your business with Stripe, the payment platform that makes transactions effortless. Whether you are selling products, services, or subscriptions, Stripe empowers you to accept payments from around the globe. Imagine a world where you can focus on your passion with while Stripe handles the heavy lifting of payment processing. Setting up your account is quick and easy, giving you the freedom to turn your ideas into revenue. Don't wait, let's get started and watch your business thrive. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a Stripe account. So first of all I have to do is open a web browser and dive into stripe.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Stripe? Stripe is a technology company that provides a suite of payment processing tools and services for online businesses. It enables companies to accept payments over the internet, manage pay subscriptions, handle fraud prevention, and facilitate various financial transactions, all through a user-friendly interface and robust APIs designed for developers and businesses of all sizes. Stripe aims to simplify the complexity of online payments and help businesses grow. So first of all, I will show you how you can get started. You have just to click over here and you write your email address and you click over start now, and you can also click over sign in and you'll find this page. Then you click over sign up and you write your email address and your full name, your country, and your password. Here in the left we have here Stripe. Get started quickly. Integrate with developer friendly APIs or choose low code or pre-built solutions. Then you have support in your businesses model e-commerce such as e-commerce subscription platforms, marketplaces, and more. You have Chai million of business. Stripe is trusted by ambitious startups and enterprises of every size. So once you click over create account, you'll find this page. But you have also to confirm it with your email or with your Gmail, I mean. Here we have it. Then you click over open Gmail and you'll find this page. Here we have Stripe. Thanks for creating a Stripe account. Verify your email so you can just get up and run it quickly. Then you click over verify email and you will find the home page or the dashboard as you can see. But before I will show you how you can get started and how you can use stripe.com. I will show you also how you can fill in some information or personal information, I mean. So you click over continue activating, then you will find this page. First of all, we have here, let's start with some basics. Choose your location and business type to get started. We have your business location, like we have your business location, and we have type the business, individual, company, non-profit organization. Then you click over continue and you'll find personal details. About this one, we have verify your personal details. This information is collected to verify your identity, keep your account safe, and help meet legal and regulatory requirements. For more information, consult the privacy policy. So we have here write your legal name, your last name, then your email address, and we have the date of birth, home address such as United States, street address, apartment, you have city, state, zip code, and your phone number, and then you click over continue. Once you do that, you'll find here business details. So about business details, we have here to us about your business. This information is collected to better understand and serve your business. We have the industry, then we have your business website and product description. Then you click over continue. Then we have the last one, which is public details. About this one, we have here add public details for customers. This information may be visible in payment statements, invoices, and receipts. So we have just to write your statement descriptor, your business name. Then we have here also shortened descriptor. You write here the custom, and then we have business. Then you add also customer support phone number, and here we have customer support address like United States, street address, apartment. Then we have city, state, zip code. Then you click over continue, and then you will find add your bank. You have select an account for your payouts. Earnings you receive will be sent to this account. So you have to search for your bank. We have here various banks. Then you click over continue. Then we have a secure account. keep your account secure, and you have just to use an authenticator app or add a security key. Then we have your add extras. We have your automate tax collection on yourselves. You have to select your product category. For example, here we have general, physical, also services and digital. Then you click over continue and we will find here climate contributions from add extras. We have here show customers for your climate commitment. Here we have set your commitment. If it's 0 here, 1 or also 1 here, and then you click over start contribution after my business, and then you click over continue here or no thanks. Then you will find the last step, which is review and finish. About this one, you have just to edit your information like business details, public details, as you did before. I'm just to click edit, or you can, if it incomplete or you did a mistake, you have just to modify it. So this is how it works, and let's come back here. So after signing up for your Stripe account, your first step is to verify your email, as I did, by clicking the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Next, log into the dashboard and complete your profile, as I did also, by adding your business information, including your bank account details for payouts. Then configure your preferred payment methods to decide how you want to accept payments from customers. Integrate Stripe with your website or app using the provided APIs or plugins, and test your setup in test mode to ensure everything functions properly. Finally, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments and monitor your transactions through the dashboard for ongoing insights. So this is how it works with Stripe.com. You can just get started as soon as possible. So here we have also other options like balances here. You have your rule or activity, job apps, payouts, upcoming to your bank also, and then we have also transactions. If you want to add create payments like invoice, payment link, subscription, manual payment, then we have customers here. If you want to add a customer, you have just to write the name and the account email and then the description and also bill information here, and then you click over add customer. Then you have your product catalog. You have just to create the first product. Write the name and description, then you upload product, then we have your requirement, or also we have more options here, and you write the amount, billing period, then we have preview also, unit quantity like that, then you add products as you can see. Then we have here also other options like payments, billing, reporting, more, tax, connect, and we have also other things. You have just to select the one you want to know and then you get started. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.